RUTUJA and welcome back to my channel. Another day and another festival, and this time it is a Onam. If you don't know, Onam is a festival which is celebrated in the state of Kerala and by all Malayalis throughout the world. And the women usually dress in a white or cream color sari with lots of temple jewelry, which looks super elegant. And today's look is going to be very simple, quick and easy, so that anybody can easily recreate with no time and minimum makeup products and minimum effort. So now without wasting any time, let's get to the video. One more thing guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So now let's get to the video. So here I am starting with my moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. I am using Pond's lightweight moisturizer. So I have applied my moisturizer. You have to wait 10 seconds. Next I am using primer to minimize my pores, and here I am using nybae primer. It's a silicone based primer. Also moisturizing my lip. To keep it ready for the lips, that's coming at the very end. Next I'm applying Pond's BB cream. Next I will be blending it. Next, to conceal my dark circle, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. Next, I will be blending it. Next, I will be setting my base makeup with a compact powder, and here I am using Inside compact powder. So now let's start with eye makeup. For eye makeup, I am using this Huda Beauty Rose Gold Eyeshadow palette, and I am using this brown shade. I will be applying in my crease area. This will be a transition shade. I am blending it in a circular motion. Next, I will be applying this champagne. I will be applying with my fingertips. Next, I will be using this same brown color on my lower lash line, and I'm just going to smoke it out. Next, I will be applying some mascara. Next, with the help of nybae liquid eyeliner, I will be drawing a wing liner. Next, I will be applying Kajal on my borderline. applying highlighter, and for highlighter I am using this Glam 21 highlighter palette, and I will be highlighting the highest plane of my face. Applying lipstick, and the lipstick I am using is from Swiss Beauty Matte Me in the shade Love Kiss. Today, let me know guys if you enjoyed this video or not. If you did, just don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will get a notification. So now, bye bye, take care.